Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 3 best workbenches that you should buy. Let's get started. To start off with is the Worx Pegasus multifunction. The fact that this workbench has over 600 positive reviews online speaks for itself, but it takes our #1 spot for its versatility, supportive structure, and compact design. It's also one of the most affordable and portable workbenches out there. It can be folded and unfolded when needed for quick projects or jobs at other work sites. The Pegasus multifunction work table is loaded with other great features too. It quickly converts from a Sawhorse that can take up to 1,000 pounds of weight to a work table that can hold a hefty 300 pounds. Next up is the Keter folding work table. A portable workbench should be lightweight enough to move from place to place easily, while also sturdy enough to handle heavy-duty use wherever it may land. This adjustable workbench folds up to a compact carrying case with sturdy handles for easy access in the garage for weekend hobbyists or as a travel workbench for professionals. The polypropylene resin construction is surprisingly strong. It can be used for multiple activities, from a Sawhorse to a tall tabletop that can hold up to 1,000 pounds. Another bonus, it unfolds to 21 inches by 33 inches by 29 inches in under 30 seconds. Reviewers consistently give this workbench high marks and say that it's durable, versatile, and can withstand heavy duty. To end with is the Seville Classics UltraHD 12 drawer. Sleek, sturdy, and well-engineered, Seville Classics has created a movable workbench that can stand up to big and little jobs. The heavy-duty all-steel frame makes it a solid workbench that adds a glimmer of style to any garage or workshop. It is versatile in its function and stocked with secure storage and a heavy-duty worktop. A stainless steel door with a firm lock is flanked by 12 drawers, 4 large and 8 small, with rubber padded liners. The drawers slide open for easy access to tools and are wide and deep enough to easily keep large and small tools organized. The tough 5-inch heavy-duty wheels make moving the hefty workstation an easy endeavor for one person over a smooth surface. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.